Welcome back to my channel. So today I made some projects using this card kit of the month. It was for March 2023. It was called Be Yourself. And I never used it, so I figured I'd just go ahead and bust it out and make some projects with it. And so the first one I made is this inchy. And here I took some of the paper pattern paper, and then it had like a scallop border, and I put that on there also, and then I put a B on there, and the sentiment on here said love. Isn't that so itty bitty? Oh my god, it's so itty bitty, but it's so cute. So then I made this embellishment, and also this is the border I was talking about, and this is actually two pieces of pattern paper here I did, and then I made I used, what is this called? I use, let's see, this is called, I didn't pour that out, but anyway, I used this die behind here, and I popped this in here. It says today is the day, and so that's the embellishment I made. And I think this is, besides this is a 20 size, so that's a 20. This is the ACT size card, and here this is so many beautiful reasons to be happy, and here I just put two different hearts, and here I have two different this is two different paper. I put some like striped paper here, and I put some like B paper in the middle. That's cute. This one is, what size is this one? This one is a 2.5 by 2.5. And here I just took some other pattern paper, and I put a border on, made a border out of the line paper, and then I put B for beautiful, H for happy, S for sweet, L for long, love you, and I put the buzz on here. That was cute. This one here is a 3x3. This is a 3x3 size. And here I made a birthday card. And I put a cupcake. And this is when I used 3 pattern papers. I used some of the purple with dots, and I used some of the yellow paper. And I also used some more of that darker purple paper with the flowers. And I put a cupcake in the middle, and it says celebrate every moment as a sentiment. Here is a circle embellishment. And so this one is a 2.5-inch circle. This one I put the honeycomb, and this one has the honeycomb paper, and then I put some of that purple paper in the middle, and it says sweet little honey as a sentiment. And I put, so that, because I didn't want the two yellows to blend together, so I took some yellow bright paper and fussy cut around it to break up the yellow, and actually it added interest to it. This is a card, circle card. And so here, oh, there's my E I was going for. And so here I did 3 different circle pattern papers here. I did, again, once again, that line paper with the yellow honeycomb paper. And then this time I added some of that blue bee paper. And it says, buzzing about this beautiful life. And I added some bees. I think it was so cute. This one here is just an A2 size card. And I used some spot binder frames to add some definition to the paper. And in here you have some of that striped paper here, and you took some more of the purple paper, and then I took some more of that yellow honey paper, and then I took another size down to the purple, and then I also did a sentiment that says buzz about this, and I put a bee in a honey pot. And then this one is a 5x5 card. And then this is, I used some green stripe plaid paper, and I used some flower paper with honeycombs, and I used once again some of that green stripe border paper, and then I did like another one of these die things. This came out of the same die set, and I said celebrate with flowers, be happy. And this is my projects that I came up with. Instead of just making standard A2 cards, I thought I'd do something different with it. And I still got plenty left, as you see. So until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.